Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery on your BMW remote key. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. These are common and readily available. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. Now, let's open the key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key and press it to slide out the physical emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot and gently twist to pry open the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating it's securely closed. Slide the physical emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test all the remote functions, like locking and unlocking, to confirm your new battery is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.